Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday 21 of September. And I'm looking at Bitcoin right now. We're trading at $19,023 at the moment. Today is a big day ahead of us, and we have some news coming out, some probably bad news coming in, good news coming in. Now don't get me wrong, okay, today's news can go either way. Now it's Wednesday, and who knows, this news can actually make the market pump a little bit to the upside as well. So, and during the weekends, we can start to see some retracement to the downside and correction to the downside. Now, keep one thing in mind: we've lost the 0.618. That's a big level that you've already lost. You already have the bear flag, and the technical target of this bear flag is still pending. Okay, so might take still, I cannot really say it's gonna be any heavy pump, even if it was a pump about to happen. So if you do go down here, you're still looking to come down to 17,800-ish, which you haven't really done just yet. So let's see how today's gonna roll. Today's really important, actually very important, 21 September, and the news actually comes maybe 4 or 5 hours from now, from the time that I'm recording, right? So it's really important. First of all, if the pump have any meaning, then you should be going above $20,203 back test this level. But it will be amazing to flip side when you actually see Bitcoin go above 22,659. That would be ideal if Bitcoin tries to do something like this. But it's really hard to navigate and say what's going to happen, because in the last video I showed you the Vanguard, and the Vanguard, it really looks very bad. Okay, so we do have a very clear head and shoulder. Vanguard is looking to actually come down. For those people who want to see SPX as well, because SPX is another influencer for the price movement of Bitcoin, so you can see that this has the same head and shoulder as well. So you've actually been blocked with this head and shoulder. So from there to there, you're looking from there to there, and we're looking to actually come down to the price level of 3,506. So that's quite a drop. When it comes down to Bitcoin is going to actually suffer and face the consequences. So that's like 9% drop of this is really bad for Bitcoin, guys. And trust me, this is not good for Bitcoin when SPX and Vanguard are bearish, right? So you broke to the downside. Clearly, you've made the kiss of death. You failed the retest, okay? And you've broken the neckline. I cannot even support the coin anymore. It's hard for me to say Bitcoin is going to survive this time around, okay? Something should be done. Magic can happen, and all of a sudden Bitcoin can move to the upside. That's a different story, but I'm not in the favor of an uptrend at the moment anytime soon. I can be wrong. If we go up, we still need more confirmation and more checks. As a matter of fact, there's one more resistance that you can see here, and this is where the maximum Bitcoin can go before the dump maybe is to this price level in the next coming few hours, maybe 19,700, and then actually start to get rejected over here and go to the downside by the news coming in and popping up. And that's pretty much it for this update right now on Bitcoin, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.